The dollar's weakness persists, fueled by an unwavering belief in an upcoming rate cut, while the euro soars to a 7-week high. A tale of two currencies, the dollar's woes and the euro's rise. Amidst a backdrop of lackluster economic data, the US dollar finds itself on shaky ground, with investors eagerly anticipating a rate cut from the Federal Reserve. This development has provided a much-needed boost to the yen and propelled the euro to its highest level in nearly 2 months. But here's where it gets controversial. The appointment of Kevin Hassett as the next Fed chair has investors worried, and this is the part most people miss. The Hassett effect, a potential game changer? White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett is being considered to succeed Jerome Powell as Fed chair. This move has raised eyebrows, as Hassett is expected to advocate for further rate cuts. US President Donald Trump has extended the selection process, despite previously claiming to have made a decision, leaving markets in suspense. Analysts warn that appointing Hassett could put pressure on the dollar. Bond investors have expressed concerns to the US Treasury, fearing that Hassett might aggressively cut rates to align with Trump's preferences. This potential shift in monetary policy has traders pricing in an 89% chance of a rate cut next week, with expectations of further easing throughout the year. A balancing act, the dollar's future. Thomas Matthews, head of markets for the Asia-Pacific region at Capital Economics, suggests that investors might be overestimating the Fed's willingness to cut rates in the medium term. He believes that the strength of the US economy could limit the extent of rate cuts, providing some support for the dollar. Despite this, the dollar index hovers near a 5-week low, down nearly 9% for the year. Thierry Wisman, global FX and rate strategist at Macquarie, attributes the dollar's decline to a combination of factors, including better economic data abroad, wage growth signals in Japan, and the prospect of Hassett's appointment. The euro's ascendancy, a year of gains. The euro, on the other hand, has been a major winner in 2025. It has appreciated by over 12% this year, on track for its biggest annual gain since 2017. This surge is attributed to a weak dollar, initially due to tariff uncertainties and more recently to the rising likelihood of US rate cuts. In contrast, the European Central Bank is expected to maintain its stance on rates, with markets pricing in only a slim chance of any easing next year. A global currency snapshot. The yen, while relatively stable, has seen a slight easing of intervention worries from Tokyo authorities. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan is expected to raise rates in the coming weeks, influenced by hints from Governor Kazuo Ueda. Sterling and the Australian and New Zealand dollars are also trading near their highest levels in over a month. As we navigate these currency dynamics, one question remains: will the dollar's weakness persist, or will it find a turnaround? What are your thoughts on the potential impact of Hassett's appointment? Feel free to share your insights and predictions in the comments below.